Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today this is an exciting look for me. Not only do I really like the look of this, the colors I chose, but it's my first time ever using any kind of Jaclyn Hill palette, and my sister gifted these to me on Christmas. And today we're using the Dark Magic Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I absolutely love this. I have 3 of the 4 palettes that released, and I am so excited about it. So I'm using the AOA Studio Nude Soft Base Eyeshadow Primer and AOA Studio Loose Powder to catch fallout. And of course I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic Eyeshadow Palette. And the first shade I'm going to be picking up in the palette is called Busted. These shades are so nice and creamy. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews, but my first experience in swatching these feels amazing. They've worked amazing. I did have one little hiccup in the road, but I believe it's the eyeshadow primer I'm using because there's been about 3 hiccups in the road since started using said eyeshadow primer from AOA Studio. I usually love their products, but this is turning out to be one that I'm not crazy about. It causes the eyeshadow to kind of be patchy or not stick in certain places or even remove in that area. So I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, my eyeshadow looks a little bit off when I end up using it. So yeah, maybe it's time to just not. So I'm placing this shade in my outer corner, bringing it up into the crease, and then I'm going to take PowerCut. And I'm using that on the lid. I did put it on my brush and then spritz it with Believe Beauty setting spray to foil it. And boy, is it absolutely stunning. Very beautiful eyeshadow. It is a silvery shade, and I almost would describe it in the pan as like a silvery kind of taupe. Very beautiful though. Absolutely stunning eyeshadow. And I'm placing that on half of the lid. I'm also placing it up into the crease so I can use that to blend out. I can't say enough, I'm really enjoying these palettes so far. So stay tuned for looks using Armed and Gorgeous, Ring the Alarm, and more Dark Magic, because those are the 3 that I have. And I'm taking this smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the edges of Busted. I didn't use a transition shade today. I just was going to blend out my crease shade. I'll just blend that out, and I'm going to blend it up towards the brow bone. The next shade I'm using is from e.l.f. It's a mineral loose powder, eyeshadow, and it's called Innocence. And I like this. It's just a matte highlight boned vanilla kind of eyeshadow. And I love how it blends down eyeshadows. I do use this often. I don't think that you can get it anymore though, so that's kind of a bummer. But it is a great eyeshadow if you already own it. So I'm going to use that to highlight with and blend down all the edges in the crease. I'm wiping away my powder, and then I am tightlining with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, which I literally just got on my lid that I have to go back and fix. And I'm using this green eyeliner from Maybelline. It's from their matte, True Matte liner line. And I'm going to use Potion on top of that to set it. And I'm also going to use Potion on the lower lash line. I knew when I first got this palette, I was definitely going to do a blue and green look with these shades. And I absolutely love this like army, puggy kind of green. I hate using that term for it, but that's literally what I think of. Like, one of my all-time favorite nail polishes was this most obnoxious green from Sally Hansen, and my mom was like, yeah, that pukey baby poop green. So yeah, I was in like 5th grade when I got it, so it drove her wild for a couple years. And that was the e.l.f. Glitter Topper and Disco Ball and Clinique High Impact Mascara. And we're just putting together this look. I often mention that Sally Hansen polish because it was awesome, amazing. I wish they still had that shade in their line. But here's the finished eyes. And for lips, I'm using the Maybelline Nude Lust 920 lipstick. My all-time favorite nude lipstick. Also is in my project pan, so we're going to seeing it a lot more in my videos. And I also am finally trying out one of the things that was on my wish list, and this is a Jeffree Star setting spray from Morphe. Technically not just the Jeffree Star one, but I wanted to try Morphe setting sprays because of the fine mist, and I finally got a chance, and I found a really awesome still. So yes, this is the first look using the Jaclyn Hill palettes, and I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list, and I thank you so very much for watching.